You get it going, and you go, wow, I got a great garden. You go back up to the porch and sit down. But if you don't tend it, it's going to fall apart on you, right? It'll just be swallowed back up by the earth.
Kyle, to your baby. Uh-oh. Go get the baby. Do you walk to Nanny? Walk to Nana? So Nana, how you walk? Here's Kyle. He's 1 year old tomorrow and he's walking. Good boy. Look at you go. Wow. Look at Kyle walking